What if the last hope for Earth's most fragile creatures was not human hands, but artificial intelligence? Could algorithms become guardians of life, preserving species on the edge of extinction? Imagine a future where AI guardians roam the skies, scanning oceans for the last whales, tracking elephants across savannas, and planting forests tree by tree. A world where extinction is not inevitable because digital intelligence, has learned to protect life. This is not science fiction, it's happening now. AI is already predicting migration patterns, analyzing habitats, and stopping poachers before they strike. Machine learning models scan billions of data points to forecast where species might survive climate change. From elephant corridors in Africa to coral reefs in the Pacific, AI is rewriting the survival script. But as AI becomes nature's guardian, we must ask, what does it mean for us? Are we saving life or outsourcing responsibility? Can machines truly feel the weight of extinction? Or will technology simply serve as a mirror, reflecting the choices we failed to make? Perhaps the greatest act of intelligence is to protect life beyond our own. In the age of AI, we may discover that saving nature is not just a mission, it is the code that will define humanity's future. Comment, subscribe, and like. Thanks for watching.